African butter catfish cuisine, exploring traditional recipes from the continent. In this video, we'll explore some of the best African recipes featuring the African butter catfish, showcasing its versatility and delicious flavor. From hearty stews to spicy curries, these dishes highlight the rich culinary heritage of Africa and the unique ingredients and cooking techniques used across the continent. The African butter catfish, also known as Schilbe intermedius. This slender silver-gray fish, distinguished by its buttery yellow belly, is a staple in African freshwater ecosystems and holds cultural significance as both a food source and a symbol of traditional cuisine. Welcome to our culinary journey. Join us as we discover mouthwatering recipes that celebrate the natural bounty of African waters and pay homage to the flavors and traditions of the region. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and embark on a culinary adventure like no other with the African butter catfish. Now, for the best African recipes featuring African butter catfish, here are a few options. Grilled butter catfish. Marinate butter catfish fillets in a mixture of lemon juice, garlic, ginger, and spices. Grill until cooked through and serve with a side of spicy pepper sauce and grilled vegetables. Catfish pepper soup. Simmer butter catfish pieces in a flavorful broth with onions, tomatoes, peppers, and traditional African spices like cayenne, cloves, and bay leaves. Serve hot with a side of boiled yam or rice. Catfish stew. Sauté onions, garlic, and tomatoes in oil until soft. Then add butter catfish fillets and simmer in a rich tomato-based sauce seasoned with African spices like paprika, thyme, and curry powder. Serve over steamed rice or with crusty bread for dipping. Catfish tagine. Create a Moroccan-inspired tagine with butter catfish, preserved lemons, olives, and a blend of aromatic spices like cumin, coriander, and cinnamon. Slow cook until tender and serve with couscous or flatbread. Thanks for watching.